Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa and I make videos about beauty, motherhood, and lifestyle. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button down below. This is going to be a 5-minute makeup routine when you have 5 minutes and you got to get out the door fast. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes and let's just get right into it. Okay, so this morning all I did was wash my face and I put on a little bit of moisturizer. I used the BEAUTYCOUNTER Adaptive Moisture Lotion. I'll link it down below. I think it's 15% off right now. I really like that moisturizer. It's very light and easy to use every day. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. I'm using the hydrating formula just because through the winter my skin's been pretty dry. I think I'm using the color Fair Light Neutral, so I'm not super tan, so that's the color I'm using. I do have breakouts from time to time, so I like to spend most of my time in the morning working on my skin and my foundation. So I'm using IT Cosmetics brushes. I feel like these are really good quality, and yeah, they last you a long time. So I'm just using like a kabuki style brush right here. Okay, so that's all I have time for. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the color Almond. So it's very bright and it's pretty good at concealing any blemishes you have. I tend to have breakouts from time to time, so this is really good at concealing any of those. Then I'm going in with just a concealer brush from IT Cosmetics. Alright. We have just about 3 minutes left, so time goes by pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna blend this in pretty fast. All over. Okay, and then I like to take my kabuki brush and just blend that in with the foundation. Alright, now it's time for mascara. I'm using the Lash Paradise. Comes in a pink tube. It's at the drugstore, so it's super cheap and it works really, really well. I like big lashes, so this does a good job. Just awakening up the eye. Make it look like you got a full night's rest, even if you didn't. Okay, so we have about 2 minutes left. I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up and just fill in any sparse areas. Here we go. Just a little to kind of help out. Then I'm going in with my Sephora blush. This is in the color Oh My Gosh. It's kind of a red color. And then I'm gonna go in with my BEAUTYCOUNTER bronzer. A little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the neck, and a little bit on the nose. Alright, and lastly I'm going in with Backstage. This is a BEAUTYCOUNTER Intense Lipstick. So I'm just gonna throw this on. Try to be kind of careful with it. Alright, we finished with about 25 seconds to spare. So I'm just gonna look over everything. Blend any spots that need blending. If you want a little bit more bronzer, you can do that around your neckline. All right. Throw on a hat and you're good to go. There's our timer. I hope you enjoyed my 5-minute makeup routine. If you did, don't forget to hit that little thumbs up button down below. I will link all of the products that I used down in the description box. And I think that's all I have for this video. I'll see everyone next time. Bye.